Okay, so just like we graphed normal systems of equations on Desmos, we can also do our inequalities. So we're going to start by graphing our second example, which is 3x plus 2y, and then I need a less than or equal to sign. So if you pull up this little keyboard here, I can get a less than or equal to 6. So there's my first line. I'm going to change the color to something that's not black, maybe. Yeah, there we go. Let's change it to something not black. Okay, and now let's get a second equation. So my second equation, I have y is less than -3. We need that got to be a different color. Okay, so here are my two graphs. So the system has a double shaded area over here in the purple. Notice it's a dashed line for my second equation, y is greater than -3 because it is a greater than, not a greater than or equal to, while I have a solid line here because it's a less than. So you can definitely use Desmos to graph your equations, and then you can copy your equations down, but you have to make sure all the details are correct. So I need a solid line here, dashed line here. I need this intersection point. You need to make sure you have 2 points for each line that you graph, and that you are using a straight edge and doing the shaded area. All right? Okay, let's do our next example. Next, we have -2x plus y is less than 3, and 3x minus 4y is less than or equal to -2. All right, here are my two graphs. Again, we have a dash and a solid. The double shaded area in between here would be where I have my answers, my solutions. And you need to make sure your graph is accurately drawn. Okay, last two equations, I have y is greater than or equal to 2/3 x minus 1, and 2x is -3, y is greater than 9. All right, so here I have two inequalities graphed, and do I have a double shaded area anywhere? No, I don't have a double shaded area, so this would be no solution. Okay, so I can still get no solution for inequalities. And there is our graphing inequalities systems.